Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw money from PayPal using a debit card, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw money from your PayPal account using a debit card, begin by opening the PayPal app or website. Log in to your account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet. If you're using the app, tap on the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. On the desktop, look for the Wallet option in the top menu. In your wallet, locate the balance that you wish to withdraw. Click on the Transfer Money option. You will see various withdrawal options. Select Withdraw to Debit Card or Instant Transfer. If this is your first time using your debit card, you will need to add it. Click on the option to link a new debit card. Fill in the required details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've added the card, select it as the destination for your withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your PayPal balance. Review the transfer details for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, click on the Transfer button. PayPal will process your request, which usually takes just a few minutes for instant transfers. You will receive a notification when the transfer is complete. Check your debit card account for the updated balance reflecting the withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, refer to PayPal's help section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.